Have you ever been in a new place and in that moment just realized how amazing it all is? In my last video we did so much and we've been living it up in Maui for almost a week now, and so I thought I'd sit down and talk to the guys about what they've been enjoying most so far.
My favorite part of Hawaii has just been the beaches, because you can like snorkel, swim, surf, boogie board.
Honestly, it's been just body surfing the waves and stuff.
Snorkeling, there's a lot of cool fish in the sea. Lots of fish in the sea, important to remember, Caleb.
Then right after that, Micah said we should go catch the sunset, and we did just that.
Life could be a dream, life could be a dream. Do, 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 shaboom. Life could be a dream, if I could take you up.
How are the hammocks, guys?
Pretty nice. You can see the sunset, we have a pretty good view.
One that you love, life could be a dream. Sweetheart, hello, hello again.
As always, the sunset's gorgeous. I'm not exactly sure what it is about sunsets, but there's something just so sweet and magical about it. In that moment, it was completely wild to just realize again how crazy it really was just being there. The best case scenario was continuing to unfold. 4 best friends from rainy Oregon, all in Hawaii. Some people would call that the dream, and somehow that was our reality. She challenged me to a arm wrestle. 3, 2, 1. He plays too much basketball. Okay, best out of 3, 2, 1, go. Come on! Speaking of wild and new experiences, our buddy Tim, who took us to the surfing spot last video, brought us to this lava rock sort of bay area called La Perouse.
Saturday morning and it's time to go. One of these could be the days, but who could have known? Loading in the back of a pickup truck.
It's like a herd of goats over here.
Singing songs loud on the way to the game. Wishing all the things could still be the same. China someone's over the backstop. Kakua on the ball and soda pop. Well, we used to laugh.
This place is unreal, dude.
Because we thought that everything good always would remain. Nothing gonna change, there's no need to complain.
Then something kind of terrible happened. So I was flying my drone up. I put it up a little bit high and it just took off. Long story short, I just lost my drone, sadly. I don't know. I'm a little, I don't know. I just feel kind of dumb. Yeah, you heard that right. I tragically lost my drone to the ocean. La Perouse, as you saw, was this super pretty place, and I was just really craving this aerial shot of it all because it just looked so cool. But I kind of miscalculated how hard the wind was going. Nonetheless, I decided to put up my drone and got taken out over the ocean like really fast. For reference, I was trying to make it come back full throttle in sport mode, which the max speed on that is like 25 miles an hour, but it was still going out over the ocean over 20 miles an hour. Eventually, the drone made it out over a mile. I'll never forget the last image I saw on my phone. See it disconnected. This is a tough day, man. So yeah, that really sucks. I don't have a drone anymore. That huge element of my videos, it makes it look just a lot more cool, is just, you know, gone. But yeah, after it happened, I talked to my friends and I talked to a bunch of Mike and Isaiah's family, and they all thought it would be a good idea for me to make a GoFundMe. So I did just that. If you feel inclined to be a part of it, that link's in the description. Donating not only helps me reach that goal of replacing my drone, but it also just helps the channel. Hopefully someday I can get a bunch more of those awesome drone shots. Anyway, back to the rest of the video.
Everything ahead of us.
Believe it or not, Hudson's never had sushi. What'd you get, Hudson?
It's supposed to be spicy tuna.
Not all of it.
Yeah.
How much you pay for this, Hudson?
$10.
Hudson thinks he's not gonna like it.
I'm not eating my water already.
That looks good.
I didn't know what I was looking for, so I didn't know what I'd find. I didn't know what I was missing.
How do you not like it?
Like, I've had worse, but like, I wouldn't choose to eat it. Here you go, Isaiah.
Okay, Hudson, hot take. What do you feel about sushi?
I don't love it, but I could like survive eating it.
You could say that about like any food.
I try a different roll actually. I'll try a different roll again sometime. But
Let's see. Thought we were friends.
If you've ever been to Maui, you've most definitely heard about the legendary road to Hana, and Mike and Isaiah's family decided to take us all on it.
Listen to the rhythm of the falling rain, telling me just what a fool I've been. I wish that it would go and let me cry in vain, and let me be alone again. The only girl I care about is gone away, looking for a brand new start. But little does she know that when she left that day, along with her she took my heart. Rain, please tell me now, does that seem fair? For her to steal my heart away when she don't care. I can't love another when my heart's somewhere far away. The only girl I care about is gone away, looking for a brand new start. But little does she know that when she left that day, along with her she took my heart. Rain, won't you tell her that I love her so? Please ask the sun to set her heart aglow. Rain in her heart and let the love we knew start to grow. Listen to the rhythm of the falling rain, telling me just what a fool I've been. I wish that it would go and let me cry in vain, and let me be alone again.
In the midst of the tumultuousness of life, I think new experiences in new places bring a lot of spice and joy. I'm way beyond glad that I decided to chase the opportunity of going to Hawaii when it arose. And it's funny because when I was trying to convince my parents to let me go, I was saying something along the lines of, I gotta chase after this. Like, stuff like this doesn't really happen often. Like, Dad, you have never been to Hawaii before. In short, chase those opportunities when they arise. Go after those new experiences. Step outside of your comfort zone. And most importantly, be yourself through it all. But yeah, dude, Hawaii's freaking fantastic. And it's crazy because we still had 5 more days there.